Dear viewers, today we will discuss the topic the nature of growth and development. Very important topic. Growth and development in educational psychology is the study of how individuals develop and change in their abilities, skills, and understanding of the world around them from childhood to adulthood. This includes cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development, as well as the role of education and learning experiences in shaping these processes. Understanding growth and development helps educators create effective teaching strategies and programs that are tailored to the needs of different age groups and individual learners. The development stages of a child can be divided into several broad categories. First one is physical development. This includes growth in height, weight, and motor skills, such as crawling, walking, and fine motor control. Second one is cognitive development. This involves the growth of a child's mental processes, including attention, memory, and problem solving abilities. Third one is language development. This includes the development of a child's ability to understand and use language to communicate. Fourth one is social and emotional development. This encompasses a child's ability to form relationships, understand emotions, and regulate their own behavior. Fifth one is moral development. This refers to the growth of a child's understanding of a right and wrong and the development of their own moral code.